Hello people, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Mama. What's up? If you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. On today's video, I will be making an okra pepper soup. Yeah, it was requested by a friend. Yes, and this okra pepper soup, I'm going to be using chicken for this recipe. And here is the chicken I'm going to use for it. It's already washed, clean, cut. As you can see, yes, that is what I'm going to use. You can as well use any type of meat of your choice, but here is what I'm going to use. And here is my Maggie seasoning cubes. If you are following me, you will know that I don't eat any other Maggie apart from this type of Maggie seasoning. Yeah, this Maggie chicken and cow brown, that is my taste. I love it so much. Since I come to this Germany, I've been using it and it's very nice. The taste is so lovely. Okay, here is my red chili pepper I'm going to use for this okra pepper soup. And here is my pepper soup spice. All the pepper soup spice is already blended inside this. And here is the okra. Guys, I like cutting my okra very big so that anytime I'm using it to cook soup, I will see it inside the soup. You can as well cut your own anyhow you want it. It's your choice. But you know, okra is always very soft, so I like to see it very bold anytime I cook it, and I would not be looking for it. Yeah, and here is the onions I will use for this recipe. I'm going to use 1 large onions for the chicken. And here is my tilapia fish. I'm going to grill it inside the oven. That is what I'm going to use for this recipe. You can as well use any meat of your choice. You can as well use dry fish, shrimps, but I'm making use of what I have at the moment because it was requested by my friend. So here is my salt I'm going to use for this recipe. Guys, like I said, you can use anything, you can add anything you want. This was requested by my friend, so I'm making use of what I have. Now I'm about to start cooking the chicken. As you can see, the onions is already sliced inside the chicken. So right now I will add the Maggie. Guys, I forgot to show my crayfish, so I'm going to show the crayfish I will be using for this okra pepper soup, because you must use crayfish. So right now you will now add pepper according to your taste. Guys, I'm not going to be adding too much pepper because of my kids, you know, so that they can be able to eat it. So I think that is all I will add. The pepper is enough. So now I will add the pepper soup spice inside. So right now I'm going to add the water. You will add water according to your taste, the quantity you want it to be. That is how you will add the water. Then you can now cover it to cook. So guys, here is the crayfish I'm going to be using for this recipe. I will just wash it now and blend it. So right now guys, I'm going to add the crayfish inside, which is already blended. So, and I will taste for the seasoning. After tasting, I will add a bit salt. So guys, after tasting, I see that I just need a little bit salt. You guys know that I don't eat salt much, so I will just add a little bit of salt. And after then, you can see that is all I'm going to use. And after then, I will cover it to cook. After 10 minutes, we are going to check our okra pepper soup, guys. Yeah, We are going to stir gently, 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 guys. You know, this okra pepper soup is for weight lost people. If you want to lose weight, you have to eat okra pepper soup. It will help you to reduce weight, guys. Yes, I don't know why okra in this diaspora, especially in Germany, they are okras. I don't understand it. It doesn't draw. Unlike Africa, when you in Nigeria, when you buy okra, is always drawing, you know. I don't know why. But yes, guys, my okra pepper soup is ready. As you can see, so yummy and delicious. The aroma coming out of this soup is something else. So guys, you can as well eat this okra pepper soup with eba, fufu, grease, wheat, oat flour, anything swallow. You can use it to enjoy this okra pepper soup. So guys, I believe I have come to the end of this video. This is all I have for you for today. If you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. And if you have any question, drop it at the comment section down below. And don't forget to click that notification bell so that anytime I put up a video, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. As of now, I am out. Bye.